Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361
President jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hagalas ni ublay jong kakhat santarik ubna naiwing arazar arpuway ula penpau ba unsalit banya selok bat kinongiram jong ka All India Congress Committee haswa ba unlet yakendo yo Dr. Didi Lapang ba unwan pai biang syakaseng Congress. Hagajing keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba pala ulaong bakum presiden uba thamai jaga kongres hapo akani ke jilla uda angnot hado kata-kata banye trailang baru Dr. Didi Lapang hapo kaseng kongres.
Actually, especially the people from Riboy, because we have the hopes that we will do well in Riboy. So my workers from Riboy wants that Lapang should come back, because most of them who were like Charles and Meral, Lapang was their mentor. So they requested him. I have not talked to Lapang seriously whether he come back or not. As I've told you before, I'll talk to him because they have written a letter to me, but I'll talk to him. I've not met Lapang on this issue. I'll talk to him seriously. I saw his statement that he's not going to come back. But after all, human being can change their mind anytime. Sometimes what I mean today, I may not be continue the same thing tomorrow also. So, but I'm confident that it depends on the situation. If we do well, Lapang is always, his mind and heart's always with the Congress. Might be because of certain reasons he left the party. So on that issue, I'll be talking with the High Command also now. Until unless I'll get the clearance from the High Command. Until unless they agree, I don't want to say much on this issue, because whether he comes or no comes, because I've not talked to him. So when I talk to him, when I talk to the High Command, if he comes or not comes, also that'll be clear. But definitely I'll take up the issues. I'm very keen to have Lapang with us, and definitely I'll take up the issues. You can say that, not the Congress, you say that the President is not giving up, because we have to discuss also in the party, and we have also our senior leaders, which we have not, I've yet to call a meeting on these issues. So first we'll discuss among us, and then we'll put a note to High Command, and if all of them agree, then definitely we'll be there. But to me, personally, I will love to see Lapang comes with us and work, and for us he'll be an asset in the future.